Hello, hello.
Why did you call?
I have something very special for you.
What is it?
I got my hands on a leaked GTA 6 installer for Windows.
Stop kidding, boy.
Seriously, man, shall I send you?
Okay, send.
Okay. I have shared you a link in WhatsApp. Download it.
Okay, man. I don't think it's safe, man.
Yeah, it is safe only. Check the website, it is secure. Turn off your antivirus because Windows think that you're downloading a virus, but it's not.
Okay, done.
Yeah, open it and install it now.
Okay? Hello? What, man, this fellow?
Let's see what this guy's doing now. Priyam.txt? What is this fish trying to do against me? What?
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
No software is 100% perfect. There are few defects in them, and that's called a vulnerability. A piece of software that takes advantage of vulnerabilities is called an exploit, like this one called the Eternal Blue exploit, which takes advantage of a remote code execution bug in Microsoft's SMBv1 protocol. We'll learn about it in our future videos. Payloads are a part of an exploit. It is the real and actual piece of code which performs the specific task in the target system, like the reverse shell payload that opens a connection from target to attacker. We'll learn about it in this video. Okay, in this video, we'll need the Metasploit framework, which will help us gain access of our target. We'll also use Msfvenom, a command line tool of Metasploit framework used to create custom malicious payload. The hacking lifecycle. This is the diagram of the penetration testing workflow. Recon. It's the information gathering phase about the target. You find vulnerabilities in this phase. Exploit. You break into the system through the loopholes, which are called vulnerabilities. Payload. It is the code that executes after breaking into the system. Loot. Here you extract useful data from your target. Now, as you know the basics, let's start with the video. This is the attacker and this is the target. The attacker sends the malicious file to the target, and simultaneously the attacker is waiting for the connection to be made, meaning he is waiting for the target to open the file. The target opens it, thinking it to be real, and the file does its job. It creates a connection from the target to the attacker with the help of reverse shell payload. The attacker who is waiting for the connection to be made finally catches the connection. The security is compromised now. The attacker can access the target's files, upload, download his files, make use of a keylogger to see what he is typing, stream his mic and webcam, control his PC, and much more. Okay, so we'll be using Msfvenom to create our payload. So here's the command to use the p flag, and we need to mention our payload, which is going to be Windows interpreter CP. Now we need to specify our IP address, the IP address of the attacker system. So let me find my IP address. This command ifconfig, copy it, paste it. Next we have to specify our port, which is going to be 4 times 4. So this is the most common port which is used to receive the connection. Next we have to specify the extension, which is going to be exe, and let's name it my favorite, which is GTA 6 exe, and hit enter. Okay, so it's done. Now next we have to open our Metasploit framework with the help of this command, which says msf console, and yeah, it's loaded. So now our objective is to create one listener which will wait for the incoming connection to come and hit our computer. So for that we have to use the exploit, which is multi-handler. Next, if we show the options, okay, we have to mention the IP address of our host and the payload too. So to set the IP address, set lhost to 168.1.7, and the payload which we are going to use is the same payload. So is Metasploit reverse TCP. So reverse shell is going to be the payload. Okay, set payload, show options, and I think it's ready. Let's run it. And yeah, it's listening at this IP address at this port. Now we have to send our malware to our victim, right? So for that, I'm going to first set up a local host, Python HTTP server, loading it, and it's running at this IP address port 8080, sorry. So now I'm using Cloudflare to expose my IP address with the help of port forwarding. Cloudflare tunnel URL flag with and paste your localhost link. Paste it. And yeah, this is the link. We need to wait for some time so that it gets reachable. Okay, so let's copy it. Okay, it's taking some time. We have to wait. And meanwhile, we have to off our Windows Defender. Go to this option, manage settings, and turn off real-time protection. It's turned off. Now our computer won't detect that it's a malware, even though it will consider it as a malicious file, but we can bypass that. Let's reload, and yeah, this came. So this is our file. Let's install it. Let's download it. So yeah, it is detecting that it is malicious. Chrome is detecting. So we have to give him permission. So let's open it. More info, run anyway. And let's see what happened in our Metasploit framework. And yeah, it has connected and our Metasploit shell has opened. Okay, now we can control our victim's laptop, our victim's system with the help of this Metasploit shell. So let me show you. If you just type help, these are the bunch of commands that you can use. So let me show you. If I type ls, so I think this is the download directory. So yeah, let's say I want to download this EPILOGUE.jpg into my system, into the attacker system. So what I'm going to do is download EPILOGUE.jpg, and it will get downloaded in this path. So yeah, it's downloaded. If I come here, ls, you can see over here EPILOGUE.jpg. Let's say I want to upload something in this machine, so just use the upload and put something. Let's say I want to just upload the same file, upload, and you can see there will be a copy of this particular image in our in the target's computer. You can try some more commands too. Let's say my favorite, which is the keylogger. You can use this command, key scan start. Let's paste it, key scan start. Now if I come to my Windows, if I type something, let's say hello, I'm Priyam from India. Now whatever I have typed, if I just scan dump, you can see that it has captured my keys, like keystrokes. Hello, I'm Priyam from India, and it has also mentioned that I have used shift to capitalize it. Again, we can use this command too, which is called webcam stream. It will show you the camera of the target system. Cam stream at this path. I think you can see me right now. It's a little laggy because it's my VM. Like that, there are a bunch of commands. Now, one more favorite command, which is the play audio file command. So if you just have a .wav file, you can just play that into the target's system, and the target will go crazy, like what's happening. So you can hijack the camera, you can hijack the microphone, and you can also hijack the mouse, the position of the mouse. You will get the coordinates of the mouse, the cursor. Then you can also control the target with the help of reboot command. You can kill the processors. If you want to find the processors, just use the ps command. So yes, you can see all the processes. So if you want to, let's say, kill a process, so just copy this. This is the PID. paste it, and let's kill it. Okay, kill, and yeah, it's kill. Sysinfo. This is also one of my favorite. I'll tell you all the information about the system, about the operating system. This is the version, this is the user, language, metapreter, etc. Okay guys, if you really enjoyed my video, then please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks so much.